This coconut pineapple upside down cake was amazing. I made this for my mom for Mother's Day and she loved it. I seen a cake made over on Southern Country Living's channel the other day using coconut and pineapple, and this kind of just gave me an idea of making this cake for my mom. I just wanted to experiment a little bit. So stay tuned. I hope you like this. Thank you. So to get started, I've sprayed my bundt pan. I've got a stick of butter melted. I'm going to pour this in the bottom. I've got a half a cup of brown sugar. I just sprinkle it around the bottom. And I'm going to use about a half a cup of coconut. Just kind of sprinkle it on top of the brown sugar. Pecans would be good too, but I don't have any. After you do that, now we got to, I'm just going to use the same cup. I'm going to drain my pineapple. And I just use the pineapple tidbits. I'm just using what I have on hand. And I'm going to save the juice for the cake. Okay, now I'm just going to set that aside for a second. And then sprinkle my pineapple on top of my coconut. Okay, now that was a 20-ounce can of pineapple tidbits. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside and get my bowl. I'm going to wipe my mess up. Okay, I'm going to be using this Butter Golden cake mix. And it calls for butter instead of oil. And instead of the water, I'm using pineapple juice. Now I'm going to add seven tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 a cup of pineapple juice. I'm going to start mixing this up a little bit before I add the eggs. That will be 3 eggs. Okay, and here's something else I like to add to my cake mixes just to make them a little extra special. A tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, here's my prepared pan, and I'm going to pour my cake mix over top. get a paper towel and clean my mess up a little bit. Now I just want to take a little bit of brown sugar and sprinkle it over the top. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in a 350-degree oven, and I'm gonna put the timer on 33 minutes, and I'll check it to see if it's done. I'll bring you back. Okay, this ended up cooking for 43 minutes instead of 33 minutes. It's done. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna turn it upside down on my cake holder. Okay, this is the part I always worry about when I flip it over. I'm always afraid it's not gonna do right, but let's see. I hope it does. Hope, hope, hope. Yay, it did. It smells so good with that coconut on there. Look at that. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thanks for the cake.
You're welcome. I hope you like it. Is it good?
Delicious.
You like the coconut on it?
It's too good. Yeah, coconut was really good.
That's something new I tried. I just sprinkled some coconut on there. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, I really like it. Love you for making it for
You're
me.
welcome. I love you too, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, you too.
Thank you. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Bye.